What's going on, Facebook? What's up, YouTubes? That's right, it's me, Bobby C, back here to help you guys make money in e-commerce, internet sales, and merchandising. Doing a quick how-to video. This is just going to be a quick synopsis on a simple product that's already being sold on Amazon. I'm going to go through this. I'm going to bring up the Amazon Seller Central dashboard. This will be my dashboard. Here it is. There's a couple of ways to do this. At the very top, you see catalog, inventory, pricing, orders. We'll go under inventory. You can either click manage inventory or add a product under this drop down. There's a couple of ways to get there. If you're already managing your items that you have listed, which if you're watching this, common sense tells me you don't have any items up. So you can click add a product. It'll take you to this box here, or you can come down here and add a product. There, it takes you to the same place. We're going to add a product to Amazon. Every UPC code, the first 5 or 6 digits, I think it's 6 digits, is unique to that manufacturer. This particular manufacturer's UPC code is 683429. The next 5 digits is the manufacturer's individual unique item or product number. And then the 12th digit is what they call a check digit on the barcode. I know this item is already being sold on Amazon. It is a family decal sheet where you can put how many kids are, kind of show your Arizona state pride in your team. And you can put these on the back of a car. They're vinyl decals. You can make sure that this item matches your UPC code. It'll tell you your EAN number, which is right there, which is very similar to your UPC code. And off here to the right, it has sales rank. That means it's ranking number 152,666, which is a very high ranking. Kind of tells you it ranks on the selling items, how many items are sold on. I'd like to know what number 1 is. But anyway, underneath that, it tells you offers. There's 2 used and new offers. There's nobody selling used decals, so we know they're all new. You click on that, and another screen will pop up, and it'll tell you who your competitors are and what they're selling them for. Over here, they're both matched at the same price, $19.99, which is the MSRP, manufacturer suggested retail price, with free shipping. It tells you the condition. It tells you what they're offering as far as shipment terms when that particular seller is putting on their store when you would get the product. And over here, it tells you who this seller is. There's 2 people, Reed Enterprises and Dixie Dogs. They both have an 88% positive feedback over the past 12 months. That's in that pop-out screen. Another item. It tells you what you need to sell it for if you want to be the cheapest. This has a pretty good markup. This particular item probably has about a $7 markup. And that's factoring in the free shipping, after free shipping. So if it was me, I would come in here, and I'm not going to go in and tell you how to price your product. But I would come in here, and first off, you have to come back to this screen, the original screen, and off to the right, it says select a condition. You have a choice, new, collectible, used. We're going to collect new, and we want to sell this product. Another screen will pop up, and it's going to ask you for your SKU code, whatever you use to identify this item. I happen to use the manufacturer's item number. That's what I have in QuickBooks. That's what I have in all my inventory programs. I keep track to my inventory. So I use that code so it transcends all my platforms. I use the same on eBay. I use the same on all my personal website, volunteerroadshow.com. And now it'll tell you the price you want to offer this for. Well, we know our competition is $19.99, so I've been selling these for $19.75. I put that in there, and I think I've got 24 of these. My condition is new. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. Looks like we're done, but we're not. We could be done if we wanted to, but we've got a few more things to add. All my stuff is merchant fulfilled. That means I fulfill it. That's this box right here. If it happened to be Amazon fulfilled, you would click this box. There's a few more items that I want to put up on this. And you go up here to the top right, advanced view. That gives you a few more things you can put in there. Any conditions to it. This is really important if you're selling a used product, which I don't sell any. You want to put scratches, dents, missing packaging, or whatever. I guess if you were selling it new, if there's a few things that you wanted to put on there, you can put the condition in there. This box is how many you want to allow one person to order at one time. I never put a limit on. If they want to order 5,000, I can get the 5,000 of them if I wanted to, so I don't have a limit. Handling time. The default on Amazon is 1 to 2 days. If you don't put anything here. I know there says a number 5. That's just to tell you the type of input they're looking for, which means it's numeric. I actually add a day to mine, so I don't want to get in trouble because we do a lot of sports media, and sometimes I get busy and I can't package everything because we got sports to talk about, especially in football season. And in the South, college football is king, and I'm busy making a lot of videos. So I add a day just to give me some time. The next box is offering can be gift messaged. Most of you know that you can add a message, but not all products offer that. If you don't want to offer it, you need to put no here. I offer it on all my stuff. Just to add, it doesn't cost anything. It costs what? A sheet of paper, an extra 15 seconds of copy and paste in the message that they put in the order, what they want to say to the person. I think it's a good thing to do. If you want to offer gift wrap, I don't do gift wrap, but you may want to do it. You can offer it there. I'm going to say no gift wrapping. And when do you want to start selling this? Let's just say that you ordered these, but they won't be in until next week. Well, you don't want to start selling them now, and you get an order and you can't fulfill it. So you put the date here when you want to start selling it. A restock date, which I don't really do that. You can do a lot on Amazon as far as your stocking. But that's basically it. I don't put anything here. You don't have to put anything here. And I hit save and finish. Bam. There it is. It'll bring you back to your inventory manager. Your updates have been submitted. Let's say that you wanted to add an image to that, a different image, a better image. You can do that. It also tells you this particular item, it takes it a few minutes to add to your inventory, so don't get alarmed. It's not showing up. It takes it a few minutes. But let's go to the one I added last. Over here to the right, well, before that, see that green check? That means you're the lowest out there. Edit. There's a couple of things you can edit. Manage images. If you want to change an image, you can click that. It'll bring this screen up. It'll show you the images that are already there. Let's say you want to add an image of this product maybe on the back of a car. You want to add images. Images help you sell things. You can add them right here. The file, you can click on upload, find it in your file just like you would anything else. You can add another condition. Let's say if you want to sell it in new or used. You can change this to fulfilled by Amazon or match low price. Close the listing. Say you don't want to sell anymore. You sold out. Delete the product and listing and advertise listing. There's a lot of things you can do over here. But that's pretty much it. That's it in a nutshell. That's how you add an item on Amazon. So now you're off and running. There's so much more to adding an item. Like we sell shirts. Those are variable products where you have sizes. We sell stickers with the same logo in 3, 4, 6, 12, 18-inch stickers for your favorite college football team. There's a lot of things that you can add on here. Most of my stuff have individual UPC codes, but this is basically a get you started. Now, there'll be some items that aren't being sold on Amazon. Those are done a little bit differently, basically the same thing, but you're adding a few more things like description, keywords, and images. And we'll go over that in another video. So y'all know what's coming next. Thanks for tuning in. Go Vols. This is easier than it looks. If I can do it, anybody can do it. I promise you that.